Hi everybody, this is Olivia, and today what we are going to do is draw some dangle lines, the feminine kind of dangle lines, the ones that have the swirls and curves, the gentle ones. Okay, and we're just going to get started right away. I just made the first one, which you can tell just has two slight curves in it. And now I'm working on one that looks a little bit more like waves. And now remember that these are the ones that are just like the backbone, the base, where you will add things to it later. Okay? Then that's all we're doing on this one. Now what I plan on doing is taking one or two of them, and if you have a suggestion, let me know. And I will make a video of those and create them in different ways with different embellishments, charms, things like that, so you can get an idea of, the different ways that you can use these dangle lines to create your own. And you also need to excuse my hands. They've had a rough go of it. I just recently moved and I've been scrubbing everything. And then, on top of that, when I was getting my Sharpie, it bled all over me. So I have dry, black polka dotted hands. Okay? Okay. And for those of you who are not familiar with my concept of lines, the feminine and masculine, I will link a video in the description box below that goes into detail about that. So that'll help explain all of this. Okay? All right, carrying on. Now, I just finished one that's just all loopy. And a long time ago, when I used to be a senior designer at Deco Art, I had so much fun because I worked with 3 dimensions, and I would take wire and wrap it around a pencil and then pull it off and kind of pull out the wire, and that's what it would look like. And I just thought that was the coolest thing ever. Okay. Anyway, so the next one is a wave, but it's a wave that gets progressively smaller as you go down the line. And now I'm working on one where I make a loop on one side, then I go down and I make a loop on the other side, and I just repeat that. And I think if you'll look at these and think of them in a way of places to attach things, you will be able to see that on most all of these, there's quite a few places. The first one with that slight little wave would be the one that would have, I would say, the least. But the rest of these, there's quite a few places. And also, please accept my apologies for not getting on here before with the video. I ended up having a posterior vitreous detachment, which was absolutely no fun. Well, it's about as fun as it sounds. Anyway, so I have to be gentle with my eye. Okay, if you like this video, I would really appreciate it if you would give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I would love it. Hit the bell notification to be notified of future videos, and leave comments. I would love to hear from you. Okay, now we're working on the last one. This is a really short video, isn't it? And this is just swirls repeated back and forth. One to the right, one to the left, one to the right, one to the left. So all you need to do is create these lines however you wish. And if you drew them in pencil first, like you can see I did, then go in and erase your pencil lines, and that's it. And some of these would look really good all by themselves, just as, say, like this last one I'm doing, or like a border. Okay, well, I've already come to the end. This is really fast. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a try and let me know if you have a preference on which one or ones you would like for me to make a video on. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day and much love, Olivia.